Obviously, you're wearing a dress. You don't have any pockets. Do you have anything in your waist? What are you wearing underneath your dress? Underwear. Okay. You have anything in your underwear at all? I gotta ask questions. That's all. Okay. We're gonna have a female officer go to the station, and they can go ahead and search you. I'm just asking those questions. I need to know if you have anything on you. That's all. We'll take you back to.
Okay. All right. Turn around for me. Place your hands on your back. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay. Have you ever been arrested before? No, never? Do you have any illegal in your car or your vehicle because of you searched?
No, there's nothing.
Okay. Is that too tight?
In today's episode of Cop's Dream, Karen thought a smile could rewrite the rules. No registration, no insurance, and no regard for the law, this reckless driver turned the streets into her personal runway. Slurring her words and flaunting her too-cute-to-get-arrested attitude, she tried to charm her way out of trouble. But when the cuffs came out, so did the excuses, and the meltdown that followed was one for the books. This is what happens when delusion meets the long arm of the law. Buckle up. This wild ride will leave you speechless. If you're new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more unforgettable body cam chaos. On the night of April 16th, 2024 at approximately 10:54 p.m., Patrolman Taylor Doris of the Red Bank Police Department observed a 2018 Land Rover being driven erratically on Riverside Avenue near Allen Place. The driver failed to maintain her lane and nearly struck the median, prompting the officer to initiate a traffic stop.
Hey, how you doing, Red Bank Police?
Hello.
Can I see your driver's license?
Yes. Hold on.
Is the car in park?
Yeah, my car's in park. This is a rental. My car got stolen 2 weeks ago, so.
It's a rental?
Yeah, it's a rental.
Okay. Do you have the registration insurance for the car?
It's a rental. I don't know if I have anything on this car.
Where are you heading tonight?
I was just going home.
Where's home?
The driver, identified as 26-year-old Juliana, explained that the vehicle was a rental because her car had been stolen 2 weeks earlier. During the interaction, Patrolman Doris detected the odor of alcohol and observed other signs of impairment. Detective Spike.
Where you come from right now?
Gabriella's?
Gabriella's?
Yeah.
How are you come from?
What do you mean?
You're going towards Gabriella's.
I was coming home to Gabriella's. I'm going home to Gabriella's.
You said you're coming home. You said you're coming from Gabriella's.
I was stopping at his apartment. That's where I was going.
I don't know who he is. How much you had to drink tonight?
What?
How much you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks. The reason to stop is because you almost crashed at the median there. What's that?
I said, did I? I'm sorry.
Is there any reason for that? No? Okay, stay in the car for me, okay? You have no paperwork for the car, you said?
This is a rental. My car got stolen last week.
Okay, so I reiterate. So you don't have paperwork for the car?
Whatever. I will give you whatever I have. I have nothing. I don't even know.
Okay, stay in the car. Throw it in, then I'm going to take her out. I'm just going to throw her DL in, then I'm going to take her out.
You want to have her pull into the parking lot?
No, she can't drive. No? She almost crashed in the median.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, terrible spot, but I had no choice. She's going to kill somebody.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No worries.
Perfect. That's what I'm going to send this for. Probably is the sidewalk clear, you think? You just want to do that? Alright. Yeah, you got it blocked off pretty. You just want to do that? Alright. Yeah, you got it blocked off pretty well.
Yeah, because I got my car back there and your car's back there.
Alright, let me just turn my fronts off. What's her name again? Juliana. Yeah, in case we get blasted. Hey, Juliana, can you step out of the vehicle for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Just be careful getting out, okay? Because we're on a highway. All right, stay right here for me. How much did you say you had to drink?
Like 2 drinks.
What's 2 drinks? Beer, liquor, wine? 2 drinks of liquor? Okay. Can you stand over here for me? Do you have any problem with your eyes?
No.
No? What I want you to do is stand with your feet together and your arms to your sides like this, okay? Do you understand? Can you see the tip of my pen here?
Yep.
When asked about her alcohol consumption, Juliana admitted to drinking 2 alcoholic beverages earlier in the evening at Gabriel's, a local steakhouse. She also failed to provide vehicle registration or proof of insurance for the rental car. Driving without proper documentation violated New Jersey Statute 39(3)-29, which requires drivers to carry and present a valid driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance upon request by law enforcement. Failure to comply is punishable by fines of up to $150 for each missing document, as well as possible suspension of driving privileges.
What I want you to do is follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Don't move your head, okay? Okay. Do you have any injuries? Anything with your legs, neck, back, hips, anything like that? No? Nothing that would stop you from performing any tests I want you to do? Okay. The first test I'm going to have you do is what's called the one leg stand, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to explain and demonstrate everything, and then I'm going to have you perform it, okay? The most important thing is, all right? You understand?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to have you do is stand in that same position, feet together and your arms to your side like this, okay? Stand like that for the duration of my instructions, okay? When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg while keeping your leg straight and your foot parallel to the ground. It's going to look like this, okay? While your foot's elevated, I don't want you to start yet, remember?
Whatever you tell me, I'm just trying to do it.
I know, so I'm going to give you the instructions first, and then I'm going to have you do it, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate it as well. So what I'm going to do is keep your feet together and your arms to your sides. When I tell you to do so, I want you to raise one leg, either leg of your choosing, approximately 6 inches off the ground. With your leg raised, I'm going to have you look at the elevated foot and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. If for any reason you put your foot down, you keep counting where you left off, okay? I want your legs straight. I want your foot parallel to the ground. Hands to your side. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions? Okay, give me 1 second. All right, you may begin when you're ready.
Alright, that right, it's just that light is making.
Yeah, just stand right there because there's a little bit
Yeah.
of this stuff.
Are you ready? You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011,
You gotta keep your hands to your side.
1012, 1013, 1014, 2016.
Okay, you can stop. The next test we're going to do is what's called the walk and turn, okay? Again, the most important thing is don't start until I tell you to do something, okay? I'm going to get you into what's considered the starting position, okay? What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to put your left foot on the imaginary line and put your right foot in front of it with the toes of your left foot touching the heel of your right foot.
This?
So your right, yeah, don't fall down, okay? So your left foot's going to be here. John, you mind showing my feet? Your left foot here, your right foot in front of it, just like that, touching, arms to your side. Okay, I think you have it backwards. Right foot's going in front, just like your right foot's going in front of your left, okay? And your arms to your sides. I want you to stay like that for the duration of my instructions. Do you understand? Okay, when I tell you to do so, I'm going to have you take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, turn around using a series of small steps, and then take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line again. While you're walking, I want you to count each step out loud. If you happen to fall off the line for any reason, just pick back up where you left off, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it, and I'm going to have you do it, okay? It's going to look like this. 3 down to 9, and then when you're on that 9th step, you're going to turn around using a series of small steps, and then 1, 2, 3, down to 9. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, you may begin.
6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Patrolman Doris conducted field sobriety tests, including the horizontal gaze nystagmus (HGN) test, the walk and turn test, and the one-leg stand test. Juliana struggled with the exercises, then failed, showing clear signs of impairment. In this case, she was arrested for driving under the influence, DUI, a violation of New Jersey Statute 39(4)50. Under this law, a first DUI offense carries penalties of fines ranging from $250 to $400, up to 30 days in jail, and a license suspension of up to 1 year. The driver must also attend 12 to 48 hours at an Intoxicated Driver Resource Center, IDRC, and may be required to install an ignition interlock device for 3 to 6 months following license reinstatement.
All right, turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? Have you ever been arrested before? No, never? Do you have any illegal in your car or your vehicle because of you searched?
No, there's nothing.
Okay. Is that too tight?
Can I just get my phone?
Yeah, we will. Do you need anything else out of the car besides your phone?
Just need my phone.
Okay.
13, just for a canine or a female? That's 17.
Yeah, right this way.
And then also, we're not even, you know.
Just your phone, you said?
10, 1 female 41 2306.
Search your car real quick. Yep. There we go. She must have just done a random U-turn. Well, she told me, I said, where you come from? Gabriella's, which Gabriella's is on 35, so it doesn't make any sense.
She called me a U-turn.
What's that, man? Can I help you?
She was on the phone with me. I was wondering if you...
Under the right? You mind just getting on the sidewalk for me?
Yeah, sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you. Hey, I don't know who this is at the Red Bank Police. Whoever you're trying to call has been placed under arrest, okay?
This is my father. I'm a father, officer.
Alright, she's okay. She's just under arrest. If you have any questions, call the Red Bank Police, okay?
I'm on my way to the police right now.
Okay.
At the Red Bank Police Department, Juliana was read the standard statement for motor vehicle operators, which explained her obligation to submit to a breath test, but she refused. In this situation, her conduct fell under New Jersey Statute 39450.2, which penalizes refusal to submit to chemical testing. This violation carries penalties including a license suspension of up to 1 year, fines ranging from $300 to $500, and mandatory participation in an Intoxicated Driver Resource Center program. Refusal is considered a separate offense from DUI and may result in additional charges and penalties.
Thanks, brother. Key fob's in it. What's that? I do not. It's in it, though.
I don't know if this car has...
Probably not. Maybe Travis has one. He take off? The dude that walked up, is he gone?
He was down there.
All right,
He
perfect.
asked for the driver's cell phone. I told him it's their problem. He was...
All right, perfect. All right, thanks, brother.
Yeah.
113. Anthony, 15, 178 yet.
106. 106.
Good.
En route 10-3 over female 41. 16969.1. 16969.1.
23.
Keep up in the east, west of the block. Oh yeah, brakes sound good. 106.
17. Do you know Toshi?
106.
Good.
Arriving 10-3 on female 41. 16969.4. 169. And after we if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask me. This is very important, okay? So this is the NJ Attorney General Standard Statement for Motor Vehicle Operators, okay? You have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA 394-50. The law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of taking of breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. After you provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000 to an intoxicated driver's resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offenses of which you are found guilty. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit the breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, charge you with refusal to submit the breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit the samples of your breath? Is that a yes?
I would like to speak to somebody before I do this, to be honest with you.
Ultimately, Juliana faced multiple serious charges, including DUI, refusal to submit to chemical testing, and reckless driving, all of which carry significant legal and financial consequences. Her failure to provide proper documentation for the rental vehicle further exacerbates her legal troubles.
Speak to somebody before I do this.
Okay, your answer is not acceptable. The law requires you submit samples of your breath for testing. If you do not answer or answer with anything other than yes, I will charge you with refusal. Now I ask
charge me with the refusal then.
Now I ask again, will you submit the breath testing?
No, charge me with the refusal then.
You got it.
This incident serves as a stark warning about the dangers of driving under the influence and the importance of adhering to traffic laws. The penalties reflect the seriousness of these offenses, aiming to deter reckless behavior and ensure the safety of all road users. It's time to dive into the second scenario. On September 10th, 2024, officers responded to a car crash where a driver had been forced off the road. Upon investigation, they discovered the driver, a woman, was under the influence of alcohol. The situation unfolded with the woman providing inconsistent accounts of the crash and attempting to evade responsibility.
I drank this morning.
Okay, how many?
I like a glass of wine.
Because I can smell it. Are you pregnant? I'm just asking. I gotta ask. Or
I better not be.
That's fair.
The woman admitted to drinking earlier that morning, consuming a glass of wine around 11 a.m., and displayed signs of impairment, including difficulty recounting the events leading to the crash.
I was going straight and this car was making a left and hit me.
Nobody in there?
No, she's the only one.
All right.
That's her hair.
Oh, jeez. You guys have any idea? She have an account
She
of what
said
happened?
she was going that way, and somebody
Going
took a
this
left.
way?
That's what she said. She's going this way, and somebody took a left-hand turn. I'm gonna go back and talk to her, but she was very amped up.
Okay.
So now that she's calm, we're gonna go ask her again. There's 2 or 3 vehicles.
3. Involved?
I only got 3 cars right now.
Got it.
That's all that I'm aware of.
Okay.
Give me a quick rundown of what people are saying.
I only talked to him. He's saying he's going eastbound, lights green. He's in the curbside lane. He said I don't know whether or not, he's like, I think the guy was making a U-turn. Doesn't know whether or not he's coming westbound or southbound. A car gets hit, ends up hitting him.
Well, she's saying that she was going this way, and somebody took a left in front of her.
So that's that car.
There's all her damage is all on her passenger
On her passenger side. So I would say nothing, right? I think we got an idea here. On the passenger side?
When I thought everything was okay, but there was another car right in front of me. They were making the left turn as I was making the left turn, so we were both right in the middle. Then all of a sudden the car coming from my right side, they hit me. You know what I'm saying? You understand?
So you're at the lights.
Yes, I was
you're
coming
making
from
a
the
left.
plaza, right? I was at the light. I was making a left turn. There was another car that was at the intersection. They were making another left turn. We were both making left turns.
So stop right there. So there's 2 left turn lanes. Right?
Yes.
Okay, which left lane were you in?
I was going this way. So on that opposite side, I was supposed to be going straight here. I was supposed to keep going straight on this road.
And when you make that left-hand turn, do you have a green, red, yellow?
It was green.
It was green.
Yes.
Green arrow?
It's green, yes.
Green. Okay. So what you're saying is the car that hit you ran the red.
Officers then administered field sobriety tests, where she struggled to follow instructions and maintain balance. Additionally, she failed to provide a proper breath sample for a blood alcohol concentration, BAC test.
No, there was no red light. It was like, you know, like not the yield, but it was not the green arrow, but it was the green light. Meaning that like you can still keep going even if there's nobody else coming from the opposite side. You know what I'm saying? That you know what I mean? Like how when you're turning at the intersection, how the arrow stops, but it's still green.
Okay, so you had a solid green light.
Yeah, but not the arrow, but the green light.
Okay, I got that part.
Yeah.
So you're turning left on the green light, and you're saying the car from the opposite traffic light direction was coming this way and ran the red light that they had.
I don't think I had a red light. I think it was still green.
So can I ask you something? How? You got your phone?
Yeah, let me look at the Google map. Sorry, give me 1 second. Yes.
How much have you had to drink?
To drink?
Be honest. Don't lie to me.
I drank this morning.
Okay, how many?
Like a glass of wine.
So I can smell it.
Okay. It was like 11 a.m.
11 a.m. What time is it right now?
It's like 4. And we'll stop Lover's Lane here on the intersection. So there probably was not a light or anything. But what I'm saying is though that I was at the intersection making a left turn.
You see how this is not making sense? So you're zooming to Lover's Lane really quick? You're saying you're at Lover's Lane, right?
Yeah, so I was here and I was coming this way.
So how, but this is in Lombard. You're not even in Lombard.
No, but what I'm saying is that this is where I am. I came from this way.
I gotcha. But this is what I'm trying. Can I take this phone? You mind?
Take it.
All right. Let me ask you this. You're coming towards. Where do you live?
Oh, and
where were you headed?
I'm going to home.
You live?
But I was just out here for the day. I went to the store.
You're at Lover's Lane. In Lombard. Okay. You live in.
Driving under the influence violates Florida Statute 31993, which criminalizes operating a vehicle with a BAC of 0.8% or higher or while impaired by alcohol. As a first offense, this charge carries penalties including fines between $500 and $1,000, up to 6 months in jail, 50 hours of community service, probation of up to 1 year, and a license suspension of 6 to 12 months.
You're on your way home. You see how
I
this is
don't
not
live
making
in
sense?
Lombard.
I know that. You live in. Is that correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're coming from Lover's Lane in Lombard, and you're going to where you reside. Is that correct? Okay. So that's why I'm asking you. Why did you continue westbound on Roosevelt Road?
That's how the directions told me. I was coming from this way. It told me keep going this way. So that's why I make the turn.
Okay. So you're going. So you are going. You know what I think happened? Can I be honest with you?
Okay.
This is what I think happened. What I think happened is you're going westbound on Roosevelt Road. You get up to this light. Okay? You get up to that light, and you missed your chance to get on 355. So what you did is you made a left-hand turn to make a U-turn to turn back around. Does that sound about right?
I didn't miss my exit, no.
Okay. Don't forget about the exit. Did you make a U-turn to
No.
turn back around?
No.
That's Lover's Lane.
Yeah.
That,
And then I turned left here and keep driving. Yeah, I was here at this light.
Okay. Then what'd you do?
Yeah, I turned around.
You made a U-turn.
Yeah, around.
Because it told you to go back here onto 355.
Okay.
So as you make that green, this is why it makes sense. So you have a solid green light.
Yeah,
so you're like,
green.
oh, let me go ahead and turn back around.
It was green, yeah.
Which means that other eastbound traffic also has a green light. So as you made that turn, you got traffic coming towards you, which makes sense. They hit you on the passenger side door.
But
We're on the
I
same
have
page?
the green light though, but nobody was coming at the same time. At the same time though, the car speed right past me.
You mind if I run you through some tests just to make sure you're okay?
That's fine.
Okay, come on, this way.
The woman's reckless driving also violated Florida Statute 37774, which prohibits disregarding traffic control signals. This offense carries penalties of up to $500 in fines and points on her driver's license, which can lead to further suspension depending on the driver's history.
How do you feel right now, though?
I feel fine, but I feel a little dizzy after being hit.
Did the medics check you out?
Well, no, I told them I'm fine, but
Okay,
it's
so you
not
told
that
me you
big of
feel
a
fine.
problem.
You want to go to the hospital?
Well, no. I don't want to cause any problems
No,
for
I'm just
anybody.
asking. I want to make sure you're okay.
I'm fine. I don't want to. I'm not chewing anything.
Oh, it looked like you were chewing something.
No, it was just a spit.
So you're okay. Obviously, a lot's going on, right?
I'm okay. It's just stuff like
Scratch.
Just scratches.
So medics hospitalized.
They didn't check me, no, but I told them I'm fine.
You refuse to go to hospital. Right?
It's fine.
Okay, fair enough. Put your feet together, arms to your side. You see it to my finger? Lower your chin. You see it? Yes or no?
Yeah, I see.
What I want you to do is follow the tip of my finger with your eyes only and keep your head still. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
You have to go to the hospital.
No,
It's
I'm
a
okay.
serious question.
No, I'm okay.
What are you grabbing? Tell me what's going on so I understand.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Are you
it's
pregnant?
fine.
I'm just asking. I gotta ask.
I better not be.
That's fair. Why are you holding your stomach?
Because I'm in pain.
You're in pain?
Yes.
Do you feel like you have to see me? Sure.
Really? It's okay.
Trust me.
I'm okay.
Your health is
I
more
don't need
important
to
to
see
me.
anybody. I'm okay.
Okay, fair enough. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to imagine a straight line in front of you. I want you to take 9 steps forward, turn around, 9 steps back. I'm going to show you how you're going to do it, okay? So, it's going to look like this. Put your right foot directly in front of your left foot. Heel toe touching, arms to your side. Do not move. Stay in that position until I tell you to start, okay? You understand?
Okay.
So, when I tell you to start, take 9 steps forward, turn around, 9 steps back. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once you get to that 9th step, round. 1, 2, 3. I'm taking 3, you're going to take 9. You begin, I want you to keep your eyes on your feet at all times. I want you to count your steps out loud. Arms to your side at all times, and once you get to top, don't stop until you complete it.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Alright. You may begin.
Does this count as what?
Just as I explained.
The woman was arrested and charged with driving under the influence DUI and disregarding a traffic control signal. Her actions endangered other drivers and resulted in a serious accident. While she admitted to drinking earlier in the day, her refusal to cooperate fully during the breath test demonstrated a disregard for the legal process.
Okay? Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Next test I'm going to have you do, turn back around and look at me. I'm going to have you pick either your right or your left, whatever you feel more comfortable with. I want you to raise it about 6 inches off the ground. I want you to look at your toe. Now I want you to count 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So Arnold, look at your toe and count 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. When I tell you to begin, I want you to keep your eyes on your toe at all times. I want you to count out loud, arms to your side at all times, and keep both legs straight. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay?
1, 2, yeah, 6, 7,
Arms to your side.
8, 11, 6. You said what?
Look at your toe as you're doing this. Alright, you can stop. Alright, next thing I have you do is maybe provide a breath sample, and this just tells me, you know the legal limit? What is it?
0.8.
0.08, close. You said you had wine. So this is going to kind of give me an idea of where you're at right now, okay?
Okay.
So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap your lips around that straw, take a deep breath in, and have a steady breath out.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So deep breath in, wrap your lips around the straw, and you can blow. Blow. So wrap your lips around the straw.
I blew out.
And go. Until I tell you to stop. Try it again, don't worry about it. Ready? Deep breath in, blow out. You gotta blow. Keep going.
I'm blowing out.
No, you're not.
Like.
I know what you're doing. So, deep breath in. Out.
Yeah.
To be honest, I'm really
blowing
don't mean
out.
this.
I'm promising you.
Okay.
I'm blowing out.
It's fine. Deep breath in. Blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Turn around. Let me turn around. Go and place your hands behind your back. Obviously, you're wearing a dress. You don't have any pockets. Do you have anything in your waist? What are you wearing underneath your dress? In your underwear at all? I gotta ask questions, that's all.
No.
Okay, we're gonna have a female officer go to the station and they can go ahead and search you. I'm just asking those questions because I need to know if you have anything on you, that's all. We'll take you back to Glen Police Department, and then we'll talk about exactly what's going to happen.
Can you grab my purse, please?
I will grab your purse. What else do you want me to grab?
Just the purse.
You have a phone? Which
Send
you
the
put
purse.
in the purse? Okay. All right, fair enough. Let's go back to this car.
The woman was charged with driving under the influence and disregarding a traffic control signal.
This incident serves as a reminder of the dangers of impaired driving and the severe legal consequences that follow. Even a single glass of wine can impair judgment and reaction time, leading to catastrophic results. It is crucial to make responsible decisions and prioritize the safety of everyone on the road. That's the end of today's chaotic episode. Which drunk Karen's antics left you speechless? Drop your perspective in the comments. We can't wait to hear what you think. If today's madness keeps you on the edge of your seat, make sure to hit like and subscribe to CopStream for more unbelievable stories that'll have you hooked. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for more drama, justice, and jaw-dropping moments.